Morocco is one of the most colorful and exciting countries in the world. It is famous for busy markets, ancient cities, deserts, mountains, delicious food, and warm hospitality. Many travelers visit Morocco because it feels completely different from anywhere else in the world. From the blue streets of Chefchaouen to the crowded markets of Marrakesh, every part of Morocco has its own unique atmosphere. The country mixes Arab, Berber, African, and European influences in a beautiful and fascinating way. Morocco is not only about famous tourist attractions. The real magic often comes from hidden local places, everyday life, traditional customs, and small moments. One of the best parts of visiting Morocco is discovering the hidden gems that local people truly love. Most tourists spend their time inside the famous medinas and crowded tourist squares, but locals often enjoy quieter neighborhoods, mountain villages, and peaceful cafes. In Marrakesh, many visitors only stay around Jemaa el-Fnaa Square, but local families often relax in smaller parks and cafes in neighborhoods like Gueles. In Fez, locals enjoy hidden rooftop cafes where you can drink mint tea while listening to the evening call to prayer echo across the old city. Another hidden treasure is the coastal town of Asila, where white walls covered with colorful artwork create a peaceful and artistic atmosphere. Many Moroccan families also love escaping to the Atlas Mountains during weekends, because the cooler weather and fresh air offer a break from crowded city life. Small villages there give visitors a chance to see traditional Berber culture, homemade bread baking in clay ovens, and children playing football in narrow mountain streets. A normal day in Morocco usually starts early. Bakers open before sunrise, cafes serve strong coffee and fresh bread, and market sellers prepare their shops while streets slowly fill with life. In cities like Marrakesh or Fez, mornings are often busy with workers, students, and shopkeepers moving quickly through narrow streets. Around midday, many people stop for lunch, which is usually the biggest meal of the day. In smaller towns, some shops close for a few hours in the afternoon before reopening later in the evening. As the sun goes down, Moroccan cities become lively again. Families walk together, tea shops become crowded, and the smell of grilled meat and spices fills the streets. Nightlife in Morocco is usually more about social gatherings, food, music, and tea, rather than loud clubs, especially outside modern tourist areas. Travelers who slow down and watch local daily life often enjoy Morocco much more than those rushing from one attraction to another. Even though Morocco is beautiful and welcoming, travelers should still know about common tourist traps that can make the trip more stressful. One of the biggest mistakes visitors make is shopping without understanding local prices. In many tourist markets, sellers begin with very high prices expecting negotiation. A carpet offered for 2,000 Moroccan dirhams might actually sell for less than half that amount after bargaining. The same happens with leather bags, lamps, spices, and souvenirs. Bargaining is part of the culture, but it should stay friendly and respectful. Another tourist trap happens with unofficial guides in old medinas who offer help and later demand large amounts of money. Visitors should use licensed guides or politely refuse unwanted assistance. Restaurants near major tourist squares also charge much higher prices than local restaurants a few streets away. For example, a tourist restaurant in Marrakesh may charge 180 dirhams for a tagine and drink, while a local restaurant serves a similar meal for 60 or 70 dirhams. Transportation is another area where tourists sometimes spend too much money, and many visitors rely only on taxis without understanding local systems. Morocco, small taxis inside cities are affordable if drivers use the meter, but some drivers charge tourists extra when they realize visitors do not know local prices. A short ride that should cost 15 dirhams may suddenly become 60 dirhams. Local people often use buses, shared taxis, or trains because they are cheaper and reliable. Morocco's train system is especially useful between large cities like Casablanca, Rabat, Marrakesh, and Tangier. Buying tickets directly at stations usually costs much less than private transport. In cities, locals commonly use petted taxis for short trips and agree on prices before entering if no meter is used. Morocco also hides many fascinating historical secrets that tourists rarely hear about. Long before modern Morocco existed, Berber communities lived across the region and built strong cultural traditions that still shape the country today. Morocco later became an important center for trade between Africa, Europe, and the Middle East. Ancient caravan routes once carried gold, salt, spices, and textiles through the Sahara Desert into Moroccan cities. Morocco can feel completely different depending on whether you travel alone or with a partner, and both styles offer special experiences. Solo travelers usually enjoy Morocco because the country feels adventurous, social, and full of surprises. Staying in riads and hostels makes it easy to meet people from around the world, especially in cities like Marrakesh and Fez. Solo travelers often enjoy wandering through markets, joining desert tours, and taking cooking classes where conversations happen naturally. However, solo visitors should still stay careful in crowded areas, because scams and pickpocketing can happen in tourist zones. Dressing modestly and staying confident usually helps travelers avoid unwanted attention. Couples often experience a more romantic side of Morocco. Watching sunsets in the Sahara Desert, drinking tea on rooftop terraces, and staying in beautifully decorated riads create unforgettable memories for couples traveling together. Romantic train rides, mountain villages, and peaceful coastal towns like Essaouira also make Morocco perfect for slower and more intimate travel. Solo travelers usually focus more on adventure and flexibility, while couples often spend more on private tours, comfortable riads, and guided desert experiences. Both travel styles work very well because Morocco offers excitement, history, relaxation, and culture all at the same time. One day you can get lost inside a busy ancient Medina filled with spices and music. And the next day, you can sit quietly under desert stars, surrounded by complete silence. That contrast is one of the reasons travelers fall in love with Morocco so easily. The country feels alive in every possible way, from the sound of market sellers calling to customers to the smell of fresh bread and spices floating through the air. Travelers who stay patient, respect local customs, and remain open to unexpected experiences usually leave Morocco with unforgettable stories and memories that stay with them for years. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, entertaining, or inspiring. And if you did, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content.